It started like any other day. We went out looking for humpback whales, but on this day we were lucky enough to add a pot of orca to the tour. I was filming the orca and I was excited because I had seen several salmon in the water near them, and I was hoping I could get a shot of the orca hunting salmon. Well, it turns out that these two orca were doing more than just playing around, and they had more interesting things on their minds than food. If you continue to watch this video, be prepared for a graphic lesson on orca mating. I present to you the Free Willy video.